Let me tell you something. Lowe's Home Improvement just got smoked, destroyed when it comes to these power tool deals. Let me say something very quick. There's a special deal in this video that you are not going to find anywhere else. No other channel is going to have it. No other store is going to have it. I might have been able to talk to a couple people, and because you're such awesome subscribers, they were able to work with us. That said, I posted a couple deal videos the last couple days. They have been selling out very quickly. So I got a link in the description below. Jump on these now because I'm telling you, they won't last long and you're going to be sad because you're going to miss out. All right, so let me show you what I got for comparison. I'm at Lowe's right now. If you were to buy the Flex, it's the drill driver 2-speed. You're going to get 2 batteries, you're going to get the charger, and you're going to get the case. They want $179. $179. This is where they get destroyed. Boom, check this out. Now we have more coming up, but look at this. $99. You're not going to get one, but you're going to get 2.5 batteries. You're going to get the charger, you're going to get the bag, and you're going to get the Flex 24-volt brushless 2-speed drill. If you're looking to get into the Flex line, and they really have been cranking out some awesome tools, this is the time to do it. You're not going to see deals like this again. $99, you're getting all that, but I got more. Check this out. All right, look at this, 52% off. It's $119. You're going to get a 5 battery. You're going to get the charger. You're going to get the 24-volt 5-inch variable speed angle grinder with the paddle switch kit and the bag for $119. You're saving 52%. Let me show you Lowe's. All right, you seeing that? 52% off $119. Link in the description below. Check this out. This is Lowe's, $249 for the exact same kit. Get destroyed. Don't buy these at Lowe's. Buy them in the link in the description below. Great company, always have really good deals. So I got more than this, but again, if you're looking to get into the Flex ecosystem, now is the time to do it. And I want to mention one other thing before I show you the next couple. If you buy Flex tools in 2023, all the way up to I think December 29th, you will get the lifetime agreement, the lifetime warranty on these tools. So as long as you have that tool, as long as you're still around, my friend, you will have a lifetime warranty on these Flex tools, and it's ending this year at the end of 2023. So again, you might want to jump on this. This is the time. All right, last but not least, check this one out. Now, this is the most crazy, powerful, fast, with the turbo button. You always add the turbo flex hammer drill that I have ever used. You're going to get a 2.5. You're going to get a 5 You're going to get the hard shell case, and you're going to get the charger. This is what Lowe's wants. Let me show you. If you were to buy this at Lowe's right now, it's going to come to $249. It's still not bad for what you're getting, but check this out, my friend. I mean, look at this. And there's a little bit more to this as well, but give me a second. $119, 52% off. You're going to get the 5.0. You're going to get the 2.5. You're going to get the charger, the hard shell case. This is why you ain't buying at Lowe's. You're buying here. Because this kit is, for this price, I don't think you're ever going to see this again. But what I want to let you know here is that they're also going to do something here. If you add this to your cart, you can see it's $6.49 shipping, which is still a phenomenal deal. However, I don't know if it's live yet, but they're telling me that today, they said it's going live, you'll get a $5 gift card, which will help pay for that sweet shipping. And I'm guessing you put it in your cart and it's going to automatically populate is what they're telling me. So you cannot beat these deals. I'm telling you, they are fantastic, especially for this kit. If you haven't tried this thing yet, you got to try it. It is an absolute monster. Good on them, Flex, for allowing them to do this freaking deal. Check out the links in the description below. This is why you want to get subscribed. If you like these videos, you want to keep saving money, smash that like button, share this video out. It helps us continue to do this, to save you the money during the holiday season. Check out these other deal videos right here. Back with more videos soon.